Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious fluffy pudding with oats. This pudding is very easy to make, guys. We need 1 cup of oats, half a cup of plain flour, 1 egg, 1 cup of milk, 50 grams of sugar, 50 grams of margarine or butter. Put oats and sugar into the grinder. Grind it till it becomes a powder. Grab a mixing bowl, add plain flour, oats and sugar powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and mix all together. Now add 1 cup of milk into the blender, 1 egg, 50 grams of butter or margarine, just eyeball it, don't forget to add pinch of salt and vanilla. Blend. Add all wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Mix all together. Pour into a greased ceramic bowl. After 20 minutes, the pudding is done. You can serve this pudding with caramel syrup and nuts. I hope you will try this at home. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.